Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a hyperlapse in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sequence of images that I have for a hyperlapse. I just took it off the Adobe stock website, and this is what it looks like when it's a complete hyperlapse. Now, as you can see, it looks like this. It's very smooth, it's very high def. However, I just went ahead and took clips out from this by using the gallery tab, and from there just exporting the clips as images. So it's a bit of a lower quality, but it doesn't matter. Now, firstly, what I'm going to do to actually import that is go into images and make sure under media storage, under these three dots, under frame display mode, the sequence is selected. Sequence needs to be selected for Davinci Resolve to recognize image sequences as actual sequences, which it can add as videos. Now, if I select the first one and then highlight all the way to the second one, and my Explorer just glitched out for a second. Select all of them, drag them over here, copy, and as you can see, that created an image sequence right here, and this is what it looks like if I add it over here. As you can see, that is what it looks like. Now, the main takeaway if you want to create your own footage is you need to have a main object or a sort of anchor point. For example, in this case, it's this church. I'm pretty sure it's a church. This is what is the anchor point, and you need to take photos with that anchor point always in the roughly same spot. Now, once you have them, then you just add them like this, and they will be very unstable because you probably tilted the camera, tilted yourself, took it from a bit of a different angle, and so, but that doesn't matter. It won't be as smooth as this, so don't expect it before you actually start editing. But now that we've entered that, we can go into the edit page and select the image sequence or the footage, call it whatever you want, and then we're going to go into the inspector under video and then go all the way down to stabilization. You have three modes. You have perspective, similarity, and translation. In my opinion, perspective is the best. You have camera lock, zoom. Zoom is just to zoom in, so when it's stabilizing the video, it crops out the black bars, which will no doubt appear. You have the cropping ratio, which is the maximum cropping ratio. You have the smoothness. I'm going to put that all the way to 1, and then you have camera lock, which I'm not sure what it does, but in my opinion, perspective is the best with the settings. So you go ahead and click stabilize, and that's going to stabilize the footage even more. If I play it, as you can see, it possibly looks even more stable than the previous footage. Now what we can do to stabilize it even further, right click on the footage, go and click new, whoops, let me just undo whatever I did there. Click new compound clip, enter the name of it. I'll just put in Hyperlapse 1, then click create, and that's going to create a new compound clip, which is now footage, actual moving footage. And now you can go ahead and stabilize it again, and that's just going to stabilize it even more. And as you can see, if I play it now, it looks a bit more shaky because it took out all of the a bit too much of the quality and the resolution, but that is pretty much what you can do, and you can experiment with that with your own hyperlapses. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.